Good morning, students of class 4. Get ready. This is your English grammar class. Good morning, students. Yes, very good morning, Shirin. This is your English grammar class. Yes, very good morning to Rajdeep, Joita. Yes, again, Shirin. Okay, so get ready. This is your English grammar class. Students, now tell me in the previous class, in the last class, which chapter we did? What we discussed? Yes, Priyojit, very good morning. Piyal, yes. Shirin, very good. We completed verbs, isn't it? Yes, Joita, we completed verb. Then Rahul, yes, Piyal, right. We completed the chapter verbs. So, have you learned that chapter properly? Mohammad Ayan, Priyojit, have you learned that chapter properly at home? Okay, very good. Very good. So, today, yes, very good. So, today we would be moving, okay, to another chapter. The chapter, it is present, past and future tense, okay. Chapter number 19. Chapter number 19, page number 54. Students, get ready. Page number 54, chapter number 19, present, past and future tense. Get ready. I am waiting. Are you ready, students? Okay. So, let's discuss this chapter. Ragini, switch off. Ragini, switch off. So, yes, Shirin, tell me. So, students, can you hear me properly? Okay, here I am going to start. Chapter number 19, present, past and future tense. Now, students, tell me, if we are talking about, if we are discussing about an incident that is happening right now or every day it happens, it is like a habit, then we will use present tense or past tense. Who can tell me? We are discussing about an incident that is occurring right now or every day that happens every day at the right time. Yes, Nayonika, very good. Nayonika, Shirin, Joita, yes. For example, if I say, I go to school. I go to school. That means every day I go to school. That is my habit, isn't it? Every day I go to school. It is present tense or past tense? Ayan, yes, present tense. Yes, present tense. If I write, he is doing his job. That means he is doing right now. Now tell me, present tense, past tense or future tense? Om, how can it be past? He is. Except Om, all are correct. They are Nayonika, then Joita, Priyojit, Shirin, Rahul, Ayan, Shayantika. Very good. So, Om, he is doing his job. That means he is doing right now. He is doing. That's why it is also a present tense. Okay? And we also use present tense. Okay? When we are talking about the eternal truth, the universal truth. Okay? When we are talking about, when we are discussing about an incident that is eternal truth, universal truth, then we use present tense. For example, who can give me an incident? Who can give me an incident that occurs every day? Okay, that is also universal truth. Who can tell me, who can give me that example? Give me an example that is, yes, the sun rises. Who told me? Shireen. Okay, the sun rises in the east. That is also present tense, right? Every day I play with my friends, but that is not eternal truth. That is not universal truth. That is also habit. Yes, we can use present tense. Who is here? Piyal. That is also present tense, but I am talking about universal truth, eternal truth. It is not like that every day you play with your friends. Okay, now you are a student. It does not mean that you will play in the every day you will play with your friends after 10 years or after 20 years. It is not like that. Your sentence is in the present tense, okay, but it is not eternal truth. Piyal, I am also telling the same to you. For Priyojit also I am telling the same. Yes, Joita, the sun sets in the west. That is also eternal truth. So, that is simple present tense. Okay. So, we were talking about simple present tense. Now, we will talk about past tense. Past tense. When we are discussing about an incident that occurred earlier, okay, that happened in the past, that occurred some years ago, some minutes ago, okay, before a few minutes, before some hours, then we use past tense, okay, then we use past tense. That means that incident already happened, okay, in the past. Then we use past tense, okay. For example, I went to Delhi last week. That means before 1 week, isn't it? I went to Delhi. That is, yes, he was present yesterday. Yes, Piyal. That is past tense, simple past, not only past, simple past. If I say I visited Kashmir. Before 1 month. That is also past tense, isn't it? I have done my homework. Hey, Noyonika, that is not simple past, okay? That is not simple past. Noyonika, no, you can't use this example. Then Shireen, she had danced yesterday. Shireen, you can write she danced yesterday, because we are talking about only the simple past, not only past, okay, simple past. At first learn simple past, then we will talk about past participle or etc. Okay. So, I completed my homework. That is simple past tense, isn't it? Understood? Joita, yes. In the book, you will see for simple present tense, yes, Shireen, then Rajdeep, then Priyojit, yes, Kohana, yes, right. In the book, we see the examples are given here for simple past tense. Ankit was present yesterday. I met my friends last week. My mother gave me food to eat. Okay, look at the book. Was, met, gave, they all are written in, can you tell me? It is written in broad size, isn't it? So these all are the examples of past tense. They are the form of past tense. Okay, verb form of past tense. Okay. So this is simple past tense, and for simple present tense we saw. Look at the book, page number 54. Ankit is present today. I meet my friends. My mother gives me food to eat. Is, meet, gives. These words are written in broad, okay, in broad letter. Broad means like in this way. Okay. So these are the verb forms of simple present tense. Simple present tense forms of verb, right? So there are how many tenses, students? So there are how many tenses? How many? 3. Yes, Joita, right. Yes, Joita, Priyojit, yes, Rahul, Nayanika, 3. Present tense, past tense, and then future tense. Yes, right. Present, past, and future. Okay. Sometimes words like today, now, yesterday, tomorrow, okay, they are used to indicate the time of an action. That means the time of the action, when the action actually occurred. Okay, the time, it is mentioned by these words, today or yesterday, tomorrow. Now come to page number 55. Page number 55. The 3 examples given in the right hand column in part B are said to be simple present, as we discussed already. Now here lots of examples are given. Simple present, simple past, simple future. I will ask, let me see who can answer me first. Okay, students. So get ready, I will ask questions. Simple present, simple past, simple future. Yes. The first example, I break. So simple past, tell me, give me the answer. Long letter, what is long letter? Rajdeep, who told long letter? No, it is not long. I told about broad. For example, here it is written as is, and broad means that is broad, chauda. Okay, clear, Asif? Not long letter. Okay. Yes, Joita, you are the first. Oh, Joita and Shirin, then Shantika, Om. Very good, very good. I broke. Then I will break. Isn't it? Yes. Rajiv has written 3 by giving a long space. Okay. My next word is bite. Tell me, bite. Simple past. Yes, tell me. Bite, B-I-T. Oh, yes. Kohana. Kohana, you are the first. Bit. And then, tell me, will bite. Very good, very good. Next word is she catches. Now tell me, do fast. She catches. Caught. Who is here? Shirin. Very good. She caught. And simple future will catch. Yes, very good. All the students are so good, so good. Rajdeep, Ritam, yes, Piyal, Shirin, Priyojit, Om, Joita is there, Rahul is there. Now, my next word is eat. E-A-T. Tell me, past form and future form. Oh, yes. Who is here? Rahul. Very good. And very good, very good. Now, my next word is fall. Tell me, F-A-L-L, fall. Who is here? Shirin again. Very good, Shirin. Okay. Let me see. Yes. Piyal, Ayan, Kohana, Noyanika. Hey, Om, spelling mistake is there. F-E-L-L. Okay, Om. Rajdeep, correct. Ayan, correct. Priyojit, correct. Yes. Om, write again. Show me. Om, show me. Yes, Om. Very good. Now, my next word is creep. C-R-E-E-P. Creep. Creep. Who can tell me? Shirin. Very good. Crept. And then, yes. Students are so good. Now, simple future will creep. Right? Hey, who is here? Nilshri. Spelling is not correct. Write again. Nilshri, show me. Nilshri, write again and show me the right spelling. Nilshri. Nilshri, show me the right spelling. Write again. Okay. Ritam, spelling mistake. Write again. Ritam, show me right spelling. Nilshri, very good. Now, my next word. Now, next word is choose. C-H-O-O-S-E. Now, give me the right. Again, screen. Very good. Choose and then will choose. Okay? Right. Now my next word is cut. C-U-T, cut. Tell me. Do first, cut, cut, cut. Again, cut. So, cut, cut and will cut. Now, next word is do. Do. Yes, I did. Who gave me first? This is Rahul. Did and then will do. Next. Fight. Fight. Show me the right answer. Ooh, Joyita is the first one. Then Om. Then Shirin. Very good. Fought. Let me see. Joyita first. Then Om. Then Shirin. Then Rajdeep. Rajdeep, spelling mistake. Write again. Rajdeep, write again. Then Shayantika, Ayan, Priyojit. Rajdeep, write again. Show me your answer. Yes, very good, Rajdeep. Rajdeep, F-O-U-G-H-T. Rajdeep, F-O-U-G-H-T. Nilsri, correct. Now, my next word is fly. Shirin, very good, Shirin. Shirin, very good. Kohana, what you wrote, Kohana? Your answer is not correct, Kohana. Write again. Priyojit, Rahul, Om, Nilanjan, then Ragini, then Rajdeep, Nilsri, Ayan, Shayantika, very good. Kohana, yes, Kohana. Now, will fly. Priyojit first, will fly. Now, my next word is, yes, Shirin, next word is, right, forget. Now, write the answer. Forget. Who is here? Kohana, very good. And then, will forget. Yes. Priyojit, very good. Now, my next word is, this time I will not tell, okay? You will follow the board, right? I will not say, only follow the board, okay? You will send me answer very fast. Now, my next word is, I will not tell. Who can give me the first answer? Who can give me first? Oh yes, Shirin, very good. Shirin, then Shirin, Kohana, Joyita, yes, very good. Let me see who gave. Yes, Kohana, Joyita, Rajdeep, Om, Nilanjan, Shayantika, Rahul, Niladri. then Priyojit. Okay. So I am going to rub. Next word is, I will not tell. Okay. Now, who can give me first? Who can give me? Who can give me? What is written on the board? I will not tell. Oh yes, answer already came. Rahul first. Rahul, then Nilanjan, Shirin, Om, Joita, Priyojit, Niladri. Niladri, spelling is not correct. Write again, Niladri. Nayanika, write. Niladri, write again. Very good, Niladri. So students, today up to this, okay? Yes, Rajdeep, correct. Ayan, Nayonika, Priyojit, yes, will grow. Priyojit, yes. Everyone please mute your microphone. So student, today up to this, okay? We will meet in the next class. Till then, stay well. Bye. Students, did you enjoy this class? Have you learned simple present, simple past, simple future? Okay. So students, bye. Okay. Very good students.